Alright, welcome back guys. We are here for another adventure with the fam. We are all here at Magic Kingdom. Just got done with the TTC. We took the monorails over because there was no wait for the monorail. We jumped on. We're going to go see how long the wait times are tonight. We don't have Genie Plus, we're not going to do any of that stuff. You know, I don't have money to pay for Genie Plus, unfortunately. So, but it is what it is. We're going to go in here, have some fun tonight with the fams, have some Hornet Mansion, get some Tron construction update, all that good stuff. So hopefully you guys are along for the ride. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so as you can see, we are in Magic Kingdom. In Town Square Theaters, wait times are back to normal, 45 minutes, because they are allowing in-person meet and greets again. You guys can hug them and everything like that now. So, you know, the wait times are going to be back up, because that's what people weren't going to see them for before. We're going to go down here to see how busy it is. Wait times are kind of elevated for a Monday, and it being what they say is the off-season. You know, we don't have an off-season anymore because, you know, the pandemic made a true requirement for people to come here afterwards. So we got the Dapper Dance performing over there. I don't think I've ever seen them perform before. We're going to head on down here now and see what we can get into. So here we go. All right, like I said, we just got down Main Street. Well, the crowd down there is pretty deep, you know, pretty decent. It's pretty busy. But that's because it's Main Street. It's the way in and out of the park. But those Magic Bands Pluses, they got released yesterday by accident. And well, unfortunately, I wasn't at the park when it happened, so I couldn't grab one. But they're so you can use them around the park, and they're supposed to do all kinds of interactive elements. I don't know if you guys have been to Volcano Bay, but they're supposed to kind of do like what the Tapu Tapus do, where you can like interact with stuff around the park, make it more immersive. So definitely excited about it. I just wish that they were coming out yesterday, so we could have got one today, so we could have checked it out. But as soon as they do, we'll definitely be getting one, and we'll show you guys what it does, so you guys are prepared when you guys come. But here we go. Ready, Hannah?
Yeah.
Ready to have fun?
Hi.
What was the university that you went to? Was it, UU? Thanks for spelling it out for me, pal. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now, everybody, my name is Buddy Boyle, and I'm one of the jokesters here at the lab floor. And if you know the name of our MC, just shout it out! That's right, that's Mike Wazowski. So let's try this. When I say Wazowski, you say Mike. Wazowski! Mike!
Mike!
Wazowski!
Mike!
Wazowski, Wazowski, Wazowski!
Mike! Mike!
That concludes our pre-show mic check. Hey! This is a good day. Oh, wow! I got my first chocolate in the bucket, everybody. It's a big day for me. Oh, what's going on? Oh, you gotta get up and dance? Come on. Yeah! Dance, everybody. Let's do it. All right, it's all out of dancing now. Let's do it for that human, everybody! Thank you so much for doing that in a room full of people watching you. Now, my name is Buddy Boyle, and anytime a monster comes out here on the stage and says, "Hi, humans!" the proper response is to scream, shout, and throw your hands about like this. Wah! Let's give it a try. Hello, humans! Good job, humans. Okay, remember that. And now, let's start the show. Everybody shout, Ross, start the show!
Ross, start the show!
Time to start the show!
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lab floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremony.
Guys, we just got out of the Monsters Inc. lab floor, and then it was so fun. We stood up the whole ball, and it was awesome. So if you guys want to see that, you can go to our YouTube channel and watch other videos.
Hannah, did you like it? Did you like it, kiddo? All right, we're gonna go do people mover now. So here we go. There's Tron construction. Yeah, a lot of it done. Oh, that's wow. There's the tunnel for the train.
So guys, we are here and we're eating I'm getting a little soda, mac and cheese, and french fries. I don't really like apples, but I still got it.
What about you, Hannah?
Oh, no, it's 89 free.
And you got a little french fry too. See, right here. Yeah, a little french fry. All right, I got the Mission to Mars burger and her mommy got a chicken sandwich, I think. Looks really good. We'll let you guys know what we think. I love Starlight Cafe though. And we're actually out here where the guy's performing, so we're gonna check that out. Here we go. So cool. Tell them how good it was. Was it yum yum good good? Tell them. See how much she ate? Yeah, yum yum good good. And honey mustard. Yeah. Yeah, yum yum good good. All right, then Taylor, how was your food?
It was good, and I just tried my first apple. It was really good.
Oh wow, she liked her apple. Interesting. She didn't eat. She ate all her mac and cheese, but the French fries are still there. My food was amazing. Nothing left of it. And then Jamie ate hers too. So food's good here at Cosmic Rays. You guys come here because it's fast service. You know, even when it's busy, you still get your food quick. And there's usually seating inside, which is nice. So I definitely recommend Cosmic Rays if you guys are here. A usual telltale sign of how busy Disney is you get to look and see how long the wait is for Peter Pan and Seven Dwarfs. Seven Dwarfs is only a 60-minute wait right now. And it doesn't even look that long because the queue's not sticking out the queue. And usually when it's 60 to 80 minutes, it's usually sticking out the queue. So it's pretty cool how it's actually not that busy right now for that. It's busy, like there's a lot of people walking around, but not a lot of people on the rides. It's weird. But we're gonna head over to Hornet Mansion because according to the app, that's showing 35 minutes. And I'm hoping it's lying and it's less than that, which will be great. And we're gonna go do Hornet Mansion because Jamie loves that ride, so do the kids. We're gonna check that out, then maybe we'll come back and do Seven Dwarfs. And maybe I'll try to get a POV on that ride. But we're walking over to Hornet Mansion and then we'll be back in a few. And like I was saying, this is how busy it is. I mean, there's a lot of open pavement, which if it was over capacity, you wouldn't be able to see that. But it's busy. A lot of people here. A lot of foreigners right now. But I'm glad that they're allowed to come again. I can't wait till we can go to Paris and Tokyo and all that good stuff because I really want to go there. Anyways, off to Haunted Mansion. Okay, so Haunted Mansion is not lying 35 minutes. This is definitely going to be every bit of 35 minutes because we're sticking out the queue. It's probably going to be about 60. But we're going to still ride it because we like this ride. So here we go.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Watch out. I need to move.
Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later.
Here we go, Haunted Mansion.
with priceless first edition Ghost of and marvelous of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They live all during the time the Haunted Mansion. Actually, 199 happy ghosts. Any volunteers? Should your next final arrangements may be made at the end of
Watch, Taylor, ready? Roar. Hannah.
Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom.
How'd you like Hornet Mansion?
I love.
Was it so fun?
Yes.
Was it the best ride ever?
Yes.
All right, let me ask Taylor. Taylor, how'd you like Hornet Mansion?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Good.
We already know that. But still a fun ride for the kiddos. Hannah loves it. She's climbing on stuff she ain't supposed to. She's gonna get us thrown out of the park. But we did wind up getting one of those 50th anniversary Coke bottles. Yeah, we're those people that have to go and spend $6 for a bottle of soda just to get a 50th anniversary label. But I'm okay with that because they don't have them forever. So I'm definitely willing to have one of these. So yeah, we got one of these. We'll go to Star Wars Land next week and go get one of those too. Because we love those, don't we? The little thermonuclear bombs. Why are you so sad? Cheer up, Hannah. Or Taylor. Cheer up.
I wanted one of those sodas.
Oh, you're okay. The world can see how you truly are. There's a Liberty Bell. We're over in Liberty Square. We're gonna head over to Pirates because that's the shortest wait time in the park. Right now, for anything that's an e-ticket. So we're gonna go check that out, and then we'll be on our way to the next ride. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hi guys, we just got off of Seven Dwarfs.
No, Big Thunder Mountain.
Oh, Big Thunder Mountain, and it was so much fun. One of the drops kind of tickled my belly, but it's still that much fun. So, guys, we might be leaving soon, but we'll see you later. See ya, bye!
All right, yeah, we just got off Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It was a lot of fun. Wait time was 30 minutes. It took about 35, not too bad. We're gonna go find out where Mommy went to. She said she was sitting by the Mexican restaurant, so I don't know where that is, but we'll find her. She's got some nachos and stuff for Hannah. I'm gonna go check out where she's at, and I think I might ride Splash. And then we might be heading out of here. We'll see what happens, because it is starting to get dark. But here we go.
Awesome, and also a luau and splash days coming up for my school. So if you guys like that video, please hit subscribe, like, thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, you can also do some down button. But if you want to see more videos like this, you can hit the bell button and you'll see more videos. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!